Welcome to the video. This is a quick and easy miniature dollhouse project to make a carousel display for miniature items using plastic, paper, bead, and a jewelry eye pen. Materials are listed in the description box below. The plastic tube I use is from a Dollar Tree lay. It is a spacer between the petals. With a 5/8 circle, punch 7 black cardstock and 6 plastic pieces. Read super glue directions on your bottle first. Then glue seed bead to top of eye pin with a toothpick. Glue 6 of the 7 black cardstock pieces together, press, let dry. Mark the centers of 2 plastic circles. Make 2 stacked sets of plastic circles, each with a marked centerpiece on top. Apply tape and gently drill the 2 sets. Mark center of cardstock base and drill it too. Trim bits if needed so it is flat. Color the cardstock base top and edges silver. Use toothpick in center to help dry. Once silver paint is dry, glue the 7th piece of black cardstock to the bottom of the base. With scissors, make first cut of the plastic tube lengthwise. Then cut a 1/4 inch off the tube as shown. Discard the 1/4 inch piece. Take the 3/4 inch piece and gently roll into a tube shape. Insert the eye pin into the rolled tube piece. Slide 3 plastic circles up the tube. With toothpick, place dots of glue between circles. Use tweezers to press together, then clamp the edges. I place a drop of super glue on my bottle cap and use a toothpick to apply the glue dots. With scissors, cut excess plastic tube off so it is the same length as your eye pen. Glue the tube end to the base top. Glue the lower set of plastic circles to the base top and clamp together, let dry. The miniature carousel display is a 2-tier organizer. The top tier slides to adjust until items are added, then glue it. You could add miniature desserts, nail polish, or spices to the carousel. What would you add? I hope you like this video and are inspired to make a carousel organizer. Thank you so much for watching.